Hi guys, my name is Johan from Restoration.bike, and in this video I'm going to explain how to repair worn rear dropouts. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I also have a Facebook group for like-minded people who are into bike restorations and bike repairs. You're welcome to join that group with the help of the link in the description below. So I noticed a significant amount of play in the rear wheel of my Cannondale Super V. I'm not unfamiliar with playing either the front or rear wheel. Many bike restorations include removing the play from a bicycle wheel. And the wheels from this bicycle, however, don't have a cup and cone style hub but sealed cartridge bearings, which are much less prone to show side-to-side play. Even though initially I thought it had something to do with the bearings, it was only after I had removed the wheel that I noticed that I was dealing with worn rear dropouts, which is a significantly worse issue. And as it seems, the axle was too short to be fully supported by the frame, so the same force was applied to a smaller area of the frame, causing the axle to slowly eat away the inside of the dropout. The worn rear dropout must have been an existing issue. Axles don't shrink, and I had hardly ridden the bicycle before noticing it. And the fact that it's a mountain bike also means the frame has to deal with more bumps and jolts sustained to it, worsening the issue or even causing it in the first place. So I decided to fill up the worn parts with steel putty from Bison. And this is a 2-pound epoxy which acts like clay you can mold into place, and you need to knead it for about 2 minutes for the compound to be activated before applying it to the surface area. After you apply the putty, I press it firmly into place using the axle, and you want to make sure there is zero play, and using the thing that's actually going into the dropout is perfect. So I smoothen out the surface afterwards with the skewer, and the last step I cut away excess parts to clean it up. And that's how you repair worn dropouts. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to consider joining the Facebook group. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the group or in the comments below, and I hope I can welcome you again for the next video. Bye for now.